with a gt250. Wouldn't start. The crank's very stiff, and let me just do this. Watch the fuel coming out of these crank casings, because it's absolutely full. Look at that. Loads and loads of fuel. Not good. Cylinders. Very badly worn. And then two transfers on one cylinder. I mean, there's a right step. Absolutely huge. A little bit around this one, but this one is going to probably need a new cylinder. Another cylinder, because it is just that bad, especially that side. You can see the sloping there, look, and that's literally a step of about 3 mil, so I don't think any rebar is going to get that cleaned up.